how simple you can have a nice dinner going. You see it? You see how simple you can have a nice dinner going? Look at my dinner. Look how simple, and my parmesan. Oh, I'll take out the one that I don't pull. Let me take out the blue one. Already pulled. Yeah. And what you can do now, you can just sprinkle some cheese on the top here. Okay?
Yeah, but juice there is like that too.
Sprinkle some cheese. What else you need? Nothing else you need. Thumbs up the like. Give me a thumbs up, man. Really need a thumbs up. I really need a thumbs up. Look at my look. Look. Lovely. I'm just gonna take a picture.